Sweet.
Hey, spin the motor. They're gonna take this out.
I'm recording, man.
Spin it out, pig. Record this. You're a pussy. Fucking spin the motor. Damn. Oh shit, it's trying to come out, man.
Alright, who's such a pussy now?
Seriously, dude, hold this shit straight. Look, it's coming the fuck out. Back there.
It's coming out, guys. You see that?
Fucking asshole, thanks for helping.
Oh. You good?
Damn, man, why ain't you fucking help me, dude? The fuck? No, I ain't good. I just got fucking jabbed up. Fucker.
Alright, we'll delete that part out. Nah, fuck it. It'd be better.
Fuck it.
And, what exactly kind of motor is this?
What kind of fucking motor you ain't got?
What kind of motor is this?
Record that. This here would be a 2001 Chevy Cavalier.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Four-cylinder, 2.2, Tech, supercharged, straight racer.
Yeah, okay.
Fucking camera.
Alright, man, what kind of motor is it?
It's a 1946 Mercury V8 Flathead, built by Ford.
Sweat.